That's right, all these are getting sent out today. Over 70 packages for members and people who won the 30 days of giveaways with CCUK Resin. Welcome back to the channel, CCUK Resin, and if you've ever wondered why you should join membership or why you should even support the channel, look at all these packages that are going out today from the 30 days of giveaways. Also, every single member is going to be getting one of these packages. So if you are a member and you've not emailed me your address, get it sent, because I need these packages to go before the 29th of August when those new tariffs kick in. So make sure, if you are a member and you've not sent me your address, email it across to me straight away. I'll put the email address in the description for you. But yeah, over 70 packages are going to get posted today to all of those members and to anybody that has won in that 30 days of giveaway. So have a great day. And if you haven't already subscribed or joined membership, here's 70 reasons why you should. And I'll see you on the next one. Appreciate each and every one of you, and have a great rest of your day. That's right, all these are getting sent out today. Over 70 packages for members and people who won the 30 days of giveaways with CCUK Resin.